National Weather Service internet services have been inoperative at times, or performing very slowly since early this morning. As a result, products normally available on the National Weather Service Corpus Christi internet page, including social media sites, will likely be delayed for publishing for several hours. Technicians are currently working to restore the services. We apologize for the inconvenience. The Laredo climate summary for yesterday.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Degrees.
Now?
San Antonio, sunny. NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm System. This test is conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon local time, unless there is severe weather in the area, in which case the test is postponed until Thursday. Again, this is only a test. There is no severe weather in the area at this time. Here are the 10 a.m. South Texas weather observations. At Laredo, sunny. Temperature 70 degrees, dew point 47, and the relative